LG Styler Steam Closet is easy to maintain. Start by replacing the fragrance sheet, which will be delivered according to the service schedule. Remove the fragrance sheet from the machine and insert a new one. Adjust the fragrance intensity as desired, then place it back into the machine. Cleaning the lint filter. Remove the lint filter and gently brush it with a soft bristle brush. Reinstall it back in place. Cleaning the drain tank and the water tank. Pull the tank handle toward you and lift it out of the machine. Pour out the old water from the drain tank. Rinse the tank with water and use a brush to clean inside and out. Clean the water tank, wipe it dry, then refill it with water before placing it back into the machine. The drain tank and water tank should be cleaned every 2 weeks. Your LG Styler is ready to use. Easy maintenance, supported by LG Subscribe.